2019-2020, the overall resource allocation to ODPP 2019-2020 is 3 billion against a requirement of 4.957 billion. As a result, the office has a gap in funding of Kenya shillings 1.921 billion. The ODPP notes that the country is operating under a very tight physical and macroeconomic environment as reported in the BPS. However, I wish to request for your intervention in the following 4 key areas for additional funding. In total, the office seeks an additional 750 million against 1.9 which we should be requesting. But we are taking into consideration the austerity program that, austerity phase that we are going through. And these areas are the special fund for the continuing anti-corruption and counter-terrorism initiative, and we are asking for a figure of 250 million. Inspectorate unit, the establishment of an inspectorate unit, which will be semi-autonomous, of 50 million. Additional purchase of vehicles of 100 million. And Honorable Chair, on the vehicles, we've been using the Eurasia arrangement with the Peugeot, but they have not been very well maintained. And it's not maintained by us. It's not efficient. It's maintained through Treasury. And we are asking that we be allowed to purchase our own vehicles. The Peugeots do not work in some of the most remote areas that really need our services. And therefore we are asking for an additional purchase of vehicles. Witness facilitation of 50 million, and this will be hand in hand with what we've requested, that we be allowed to handle our own witnesses. Mobile courts, while the judiciary has ample funds for mobile courts, and they've been going down kwa mashinani kwa Wanjiku, we've not had the funds to commensurate that.